Hello, welcome to this video, and we'll be talking about how to create a free account on AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. So just open your Google search and then type in AWS, and then you can navigate to this link aws.amazon.com, and then you get a lot of links. You can actually go right hand top corner, complete sign up, or you can just create a AWS free tier free account. Click on this. So you have to provide two things here to sign up for AWS. One is the root user, which is the admin user, email ID, and then you also have to provide an account name. So I'll just give my email ID, gmail.com. This is my email ID and account name. I'll keep it. Okay. So and then simply click on verify email ID. And now if you can see, it says we have sent an email with a verification code to that particular email ID. So all I have to do is navigate, log into your code with whatever email ID you have, and then put in the verification code here. If you haven't received it, obviously you just click on the resend code. So I have received my code, and then I just have put my code, and then simply click on verify, and then your email address has been successfully verified. So the verification is done, and then we have to create a password for the root user. And then please keep in mind, passwords must be at least 8 characters long and contain at least 3 of the following: uppercase, letters, lowercase, numbers, and non-alphanumerical characters. Which are special characters. So let's try to close this. You can create your own password, and then continue. And then I don't want to save this, and then you can give your name and address. Give my and then phone number, India, so and then the mobile number and the rest of the address and all. And then once you have filled in, you just have to tick on this I have read the agreement, then continue to step 2. And then it will be asking for a debit card information. So you just have to put your debit card details here, card holders name, CVV and all. So I have entered the required details, and I have moved on to the next one. And then once you have entered the details, then it will ask for you to enter the OTP. Once the OTP is entered, then you just click on submit, and they will just charge about 2 rupees from your bank. So that and then again it is asking for you to confirm your identity. So you have to enter your mobile number here and then enter the security check. So if you are not very comfortable with the text, you can opt for the audio and then send SMS. So, and verification code will be sent to your mobile as well. So I'm just trying to retrieve the number, the verification code, and then continue to step number 5. And then here you have 3 options. The first option is basic support, which is free, recommended for new users just getting started with AWS, and it has got a 24/7 self-service access to AWS resources. And then that is for your account and billing. But otherwise, if you want to go for a developer support, you have $29 per month, and if it is a business support, then it is $100. So let's go for a basic support, which is free, and then complete the support. And there you go. Congratulations. Thanks for signing up. For AWS, we are activating your account, which should take only few minutes. Okay. And then simply click on go to the AWS management console. So that's it, guys. You just have to sign in once it is ready with your root user, which is your email ID. Give it your email ID. And then just enter the password, whichever given, and then sign in. And this is what you get. You can access all AWS services here. There are different sections, and you can see account. So there is an ID, account ID, account organization, service quota. You can actually go through the different links over here. You just have to research. There you go.